Hello everyone, let's talk about Google Advanced Search Operators. So, Google Search Operators, the complete list. Did you know that Google is constantly killing useful operators nowadays? That's why most existing lists of Google search operators are outdated and inaccurate. So, first one is search term quotation under force and exact match. Search use these refined results for ambiguous searches. Then look at this example Steve Jobs. Now or operator and search for x and y. This will return only results related to both x and y. An example Jobs and Gates. This is a search operators and hyphen excluded term or phrase. In our example, in pages returned will be related to jobs but not apple, like jobs apple. Bracket, inside bracket you guys just write the keyword like this. Example iPod or iPhone apple. Define, just write define first, then a keyword entrepreneur, then catch, just write catch, then a website name, domain name, and returns the most recent cached version of a web page. File type, restrict result to those of a certain file type, like this example site related in title, all in title. And in the example you guys can see how it works, how to write it. In URL, find pages with a certain word in the URL. For the example, any results containing the word in the URL will be returned. All in URL, similar to in URL, but only results containing all the specified words in the URL will be returned, like this. All in URL, Apple, iPhone, keyword. In text, find pages containing a certain word somewhere in the content. For this example, and results containing the word apple in the page content will be returned, like example in text apple. All in text, then around. Proximity search, find pages containing two words or phrases within x words or each other. Whether, like, first write whether, then the location or website. Stocks, map, movie, find information, and like this. In search, hash, search for a range of numbers. In the example below, all in ensure blog URL, lock place name, location, impostature, all in postature, link info. Just watch the example. Some find indexation errors, operators. Find non-secure pages, non-HTTPs. find duplicate content issues, find 15 other sites with the exact same copy, duplicate issues, find stolen content in seconds, find add files on your domain that you may have forgotten about, find guest post opportunities, find resource page, find sites that feature information, find more link prospects and check how relevant they really are. Internal linking opportunities, like this many option. So Google advanced search commands boolean operator and is assumed between words entered in Google to return pages that include either word A or word B. Use an uppercase or between terms. If we search Google Advanced Search, there's some option Google Advanced Search. How can you use this feature? Now come to setting. Here is Advanced Search option. You can search here. Just have a look. Advanced Search option. This exact word phrase, any of these words, narrow result, languages, regional last update, site domain, file type, say search, terms and appearing, all the options you find. Right, word, web. So you can find any result. What have a look. This I just search a critical thing in Google Advanced Search. You search MSN, Windows, Live Search, Bing Search, and MSN. Find pages that contain certain keywords. Find course and force accurate results for long tail keywords. Just anything type hacking word. By the help of advanced operators, you find accurate result you want. Find out the Google is categorized your site quickly, gauge the competitives of long tail keywords, find sites that have a specific keyword in the URL, advanced options, all in title, limits results to these websites with all the search words in the title, then link in title, limits result to documents that contain the search word in the title, all in URL, limits results to find all search words in the URL. So that's it for today.